My name is Rosemary Butler and I am proud to be the Labour Assembly member for Newport West. I live in Gogledd with my husband Derek and we have 2 daughters and 4 grandchildren. I have represented Newport West since being elected to the National Assembly in 1999, and before that I was a councillor for Gogledd on Newport City Council. So I know the issues that concern you as constituents, and I will continue to represent your views at local and national level. You, the people of Newport West, have put your trust in me to represent your interests, and I will continue to do that with passion to ensure that your issues, however large or small, continue to be at the forefront of my mind. In May this year, I was elected by members of the National Assembly as their presiding officer. Now this means that I chair the Assembly's plenary sessions and represent the Assembly nationally and internationally. While in office, I intend to continue my keen interest in the equality agenda, and in particular, how the decisions of the Assembly affect your daily life. I came into politics to make a difference, and I hope that my legacy as presiding officer and Assembly member for Newport West will be that I will have made that difference and represented your views and tackled unfairness. Now, if you have any matters you want to discuss, please contact my constituency's office. Details are on the screen now, and I will try to help you resolve them. Thank you.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.